Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me. So every time I upload a new video, you guys are notified. And also do me one other big favor. Guys, get over to Instagram and give me a follow on Instagram if you haven't already done so. And then send me a DM to say hello. If you want 6 free stocks, Webull is going to give you 6 free stocks when you open up a new Webull brokerage account, put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you 6 free stocks valued all the way up to $12,600. So after the video, I want you guys to go down to the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link, open up your new account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Well guys, last week, the stock market was volatile again. At the beginning of the week, coming off of Memorial Day, we actually had a couple of good days in the stock market where we saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P and the NASDAQ make some gains, which was some light at the end of the tunnel for us. But when Friday rolled around, we actually lost those gains. There was a sell-off in the market on Friday, and that was due to the expectation of the Federal Reserve increasing short-term interest rates again. And that short-term interest rate is the Fed funds rate, which is the rate where banks borrow money from each other. Expectations of that Fed fund rate being increased is what caused the sell-off in the stock market on Friday. And we saw the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P lose the gains that they had made earlier in the week. Now, what caused investors to get concerned about the Fed increasing interest rates again? Well, the May jobs report came out, and the jobs report was actually a lot better than was expected. So therefore, the Feds believe it's time to increase interest rates in order to continue to try to get inflation down. What do I believe will be happening this week? Well, I think we will have, it won't be a lot happening. I think you won't see anything, any major increases and any major decreases. Now, that's at the beginning of the week. But on Friday, June 10th, the CPI numbers are coming out for May. And depending upon what those numbers look like, that could have a sell-off on Friday, right? Could have a sell-off in the stock market on Friday. And the consumer price index basically measures inflation, right? It will tell us if inflation has peaked or if inflation is still climbing. I believe at the last report, it was around 8.5%. So when those numbers come out on Friday, the CPI numbers, if the Fed doesn't believe that inflation has peaked and it's still climbing, then of course, they're going to increase interest rates again, in my opinion, in June of this year, which we're in June right now. So sometime in June, you'll see interest rates go up in an effort again to try and reduce inflation. So on Friday, June 10th, we'll know because the CPI numbers will come out. And I think if those numbers don't reflect that inflation has peaked, then I think you may see a little bit of a sell-off on Friday in the market as well. Don't know that to be a fact. That's just my guess. Here's what I would recommend we all do for next week and weeks after that, is just to continue making sure we're putting ourselves in a position to buy our favorite companies, buy our favorite ETFs, buy our favorite cryptos while they're on sale, right? Because until inflation come down, guys, we may get a bounce back in the stock market where we see a little bit of improvement. But until inflation comes down, until we can get a clear indication that inflation is coming down, then there is no full recovery in the stock market, right? We got to just continue buying. We got to continue buying our favorite companies. We got to continue buying our favorite ETFs and our favorite cryptos. And the reason we want to keep doing that is because all of these three types of investments will be on sale. All of them will be on sale. And what you want to do in times like this, guys, and I continue to talk about this on the YouTube channel and the videos, is this is a great opportunity to build wealth, honestly, right? This is where wealth is built. Although it's troubling times that our economy is not doing well and our stock market is not doing well. Yeah. And who knows what may happen down the road with jobs and unemployment. We don't know yet. But what I can tell you, for people who want to build wealth, people who are willing to be disciplined, people who are willing to be consistent and be patient during these times and not be afraid and stay on the sideline, if you're willing to take a certain amount of money every single week, every single month, and buy these companies, buy these ETFs that are on sale and just hold them. Just hold them, man. Just buy these great companies and these great ETFs, because we know at some point we will recover. The stock market will recover. Inflation will come down. Our economy will recover at some point. We don't know when. And it's not really our job, in my opinion, to try to predict that. What our job is to figure out a way how we can take this opportunity and then build wealth for ourselves, 18, 24, 36 months from now, by buying these great companies and these great ETFs while they're on sale. Just wanted to, give you a quick update, in my opinion, what happened last week in the stock market and why we had the sell-off on Friday, and then what I believe is going to be happening this week. Again, I don't think there's going to be a lot going on until those CPI numbers come out on Friday. And then we may see a run up or a run down in the stock market, depending upon what those numbers are. But again, don't let that bother you, because you should just concentrate on buying. Just concentrate on buying and holding. If you just concentrate on buying and holding, you'll be fine. Don't worry about the stock market or what's affecting it right now. The key is buying your favorite companies, buying your favorite ETFs, having a long-term hold pattern, and then just consistently keep doing that over and over and over, so that when this thing does turn around, all those investments you bought at a discount will be selling at a premium. And that's where you build your net worth, guys. See, that's what the 1% do. Exactly what they do is they wait and they buy. They wait and they buy. And they just keep doing that, right? And when I say wait, I don't mean time in the market. What I mean is they just wait for times where there's chaos and confusion, right? And that's when they're buying. Just like Warren Buffett has always said, be fearful when people are greedy. Be greedy when people are fearful. That's it, right? That's it in a nutshell. Well, guys, if you want to join my $5 a day investment challenge, click on that link down in the description box and open up your new Webull account and fund it. And be a part of that $5 a day fractional share trading challenge I got going on with my subscribers. But you got to have a Webull account, and you'll be able to do the fractional share trading. Now, there are other platforms out there that offer fractional share trading too. So pick whichever one you want. But I'm using the Webull app, so I'm asking my subscribers to use Webull with me so that we can watch our progress grow together as we do our $5 a day challenge of buying our favorite companies and our favorite ETFs with fractional share trading. Again, that Webull link is down in the description box. They're going to also give you those 6 free stocks for just signing up and funding your account with at least 1 penny. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.